Hello, sir. Have you heard of Jesus Christ?
Yeah, I have. Can I help you?
Yes, sir. I'm here to help you. I'm here to tell you his good word so that you can be saved.
I'd rather not be saved, I'm sorry.
You'd rather not be saved? But, sir, you look like an absolutely putrid, disgusting sinner. You look like you need Christ in your life.
Yeah, I am disgusting, I know. But I kind of want to live that life. It's always been my life.
Live that life? That sounds horrendous and vile, sir.
Exactly, I like to rot away in bed.
That's why I think we should read the Bible, sir.
I mean, will the Bible give me a nice girlfriend or something? Any of those nice
Something is severely wrong with you,
pre-virgin
sir.
girls?
Very much wrong with you.
Come on, man, you know.
And just for
I know,
that,
I'm a
you
piece
look
of
like you
shit.
don't deserve that bottle.